how to fix Facebook shortcut bar not showing. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Facebook application, and what you want to do next is on the bottom part you will see the shortcuts, right? To be able to fix that, for example, you're looking for a specific shortcut bar and then it's not showing, what you can do is to go to your menu here, and then on the upper right you'll see the gear icon. Tap on that and it will lead you to your settings and privacy. Now under settings and privacy, what I want you to do next is to focus on your preference here, preferences section, and you will see a lot of options, but I want you to find the navigation bar. Under navigation bar, you'll see here customize the bar, and as you can see here, I have currently pinned the marketplace here. Now let's say you want to hide this one, and as you can see, you won't be able to see the marketplace anymore. Let's say you have accidentally hidden the profile here, the profile options, or the shortcut bar for profile here. Then what you can do is to go back, to go to your hidden here, to go to your tap on profile and tap on pin, and as you can see, you have now put it back to your shortcut bar. Now that is how you fix it. Let's say you have already done that and it's still not working, or it's not yet fixed. Then what you can do is to go to your app store or your play store, then make sure to update your Facebook application. Now, it's very important for you to update your Facebook application because it's a newer version and there are features that you can only access once you update your application. Basically, that is how you fix Facebook shortcut bar not showing, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.